Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. In this video we'll be talking about another best free VPN that you can use in your Windows PC in order to access the blocked website and services. So this is the Hotspot Shield VPN. This is not the new one in the market. It already exists from long time over the internet, and if you ask me about its opinion, it is the best as of now, because earlier this I was using XVPN and so many other one. But this one is best if I show you the IP version address for of my connection. This is the given in IP version 6. So if you want to know more about this IP version, let me take you to the Hotspot Shield VPN page. There you will be able to see the IP version 4 and the detail of the ISP connection as well. So this VPN already available for mostly every device like iOS and Android one. So if you want to use this for other devices, you can use. There's no problem about the platform. So now if I want to download this, you just have to move to the product tab. There you will be able to see the download link, and then you can get it in your PC. So I'm not going to download this again because I have already made the installation process done, and I'm just going to show you the actual interface of Hotspot Shield. And you can see the real IP address of Geo. Let me take you to the Chrome browser so you can see this is the IP version 4 and the ISP connection name as Geo. So I'm just going to click over the hit button, and it will take a bit of time in order to connect and mask the real IP address. So now it is connected, and you can see it is connected to the United States server, and it is assigned with limited data in order to access the blocked feature and content. So if I refresh the page of Hotspot Shield, you will be able to see the new information like the new IP version 4 and the new ISP connection name. So you can see the details are hidden now, and you can access all the other blocked features which mostly blocked by government or the ISP providers. So that's pretty much it about this video. If you want to know more about the IP version 4, like the whole detail or where it is, you can go to the ipfingerprints.com. There you will be able to see the whole detail about this. So that's pretty much it of this product, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button. For more tips, tricks and hacks, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.